Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. September 10, 2025, Wednesday racing. Starting time ng karera 5 p.m. alas 5 ng hapon. Ngayong araw ng Miyerkules, meron tayong 7 races. Only race 1 lang ang 1,400 meter distance. Yung race 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at last race 7 ay pawang 1,200 meter run. Mag-umpisa na po tayo sa ating mga cool choices. Race number 1 is ang 3-year-old maiden race, Placer, non-winner group. Ito ay winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Meron itong Super 6 event. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 5, Mount Citadel. Cool second choice number 3, si Pokot Boy. At third choice number 7, Keen Eyes. Race 2. Ito ang unang 1,200 meter distance. 17-41 split. Pick 6 covers races 2 to 7. Ito naman ay may pentapecta event. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 4, Namayan. Last time, huling takbo, nanalo na. Dihado pa ito noon, lagi nating nagiging first choice. Pero may ilang pang win. Palagay ko naman, at meron po kong humble observation na magse-second win on this race, maybe. Cool second choice. Number 3, Buwayang Bato. Third choice, number 8, Seychelles. Tumako na tayo ngayon sa race 3. Ito naman ay pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. 17-41 split classification or reclassification group. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 8, Crown Jewel. Cool second choice, number 6, Ma'am Jen. At cool third choice, number 1, Princess Belle. Race 4, 17-41 split. Ito naman ay may pentapecta event din. At pick 4 covers races 4 to 7. Another 1,200 meter run. At dito ang ating pong cool first choice. Number 2, 14 de Octubre. Huling takbo, pamprimero na natin pero negative run. Pero hindi po natin bibitawan pa. Baka dito. Cool second choice. Number 5, Sunny Nature. At cool third choice, number 4, Hang Loose. Race 5, 42-56 split. Merong Super 6 event itong race 5 sa dating handicapping group. Ito ay 16-21. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Grand Majesty. Cool second choice, number 1, Pay the Line. At cool third choice natin, number 3, Keynote Speaker. Race 6, penultimate race. Pangalawa sa last race, race na may pentapecta. Ito po ay 17-41 split. Sa race na to, race 6, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Atomic Bomb with Jackie Henson. Ang ating pong cool second choice, na beaten nakaraan, first choice natin, kung di ako nagkakamali, ay number 5, Made for Trophy. At cool third choice natin, number 8, Rule the World. Last race na po tayo para tingan 42-56 split, race na may Super 6. Dito sa last race, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Rocking Bell. Galing sa medyo bakasyon. Pero nasa kondisyon pa rin, yun po ang aking pong assessment. Ang ating pong cool second choice, consistent runner or laging nandun sa unahan o bandang unahan. Second choice natin, number 3, Ginebra. At cool third choice natin, number 2, Diamond Power. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!